What is simplifying algebraic expressions? Imagine trying to solve a puzzle where some pieces are hidden or complicated. Simplifying algebraic expressions is like organizing those pieces so they fit together easily. It helps us see the picture more clearly. When we talk about simplifying, we mean rewriting an expression to make it less cluttered without changing what it equals. This makes solving problems faster and easier. The first step in simplifying is to get rid of parentheses. We do this by using the distributive property. That means multiplying any number or variable outside the parentheses by each term inside. For example, if you see -3 times open parentheses to x squared plus 5x plus 1 close parentheses, you multiply -3 by each term inside. So, -3 times to x squared becomes -6x squared. -3 times 5x becomes -15x, and -3 times 1 becomes -3. Next, we look for like terms. These are terms that have the same variables raised to the same powers. For example, 3a squared b and 2a squared b are like terms. We can add their coefficients, so 3 plus 2 equals 5. That makes 5a squared b, but if one term has a different variable or an exponent, we cannot combine it with the others. We also need to check for powers or exponents. If the expression has powers, we simplify those by following the rules. For example, 2 to the power of 3 is 8, and when multiplying powers with the same base, we add the exponents. So, x to the power of 2 times x to the power of 3 becomes x to the power of 5. Finally, we write the simplified expression in a clear order. Usually, we arrange terms from the highest to the lowest power. This makes the expression easier to read and understand. For example, if you have 5x squared minus 3x and plus 7, you write it as 5x squared minus 3x plus 7. Remember, simplifying is not about solving for a specific variable. It is about rewriting the expression to make it easier to work with later. For example, if you have to x plus 6x times y minus 8, you first distribute 6xy, then combine like terms to get 6xy minus 40x minus 8. This skill is very important in algebra because it helps you see the problem more clearly. It also makes solving equations and working with formulas much simpler. Whether you are solving word problems, graphing functions, or working in science and engineering, being able to simplify expressions saves time and reduces mistakes. By following steps like distributing, combining like terms, and organizing your expression, you can approach algebra with confidence. Simplifying expressions is a key part of building a strong foundation in algebra that will help you in many areas of math and beyond.